These are the ingredients for the Mexican black bean soup. Don't worry if you don't catch them. You can always pause the video. Also, we have posted them in the description down below. Measure out your spices ahead of time. Your oregano, cumin, coriander, and allspice. Dice your 2 purple onions, 2 stalks of celery, 4 cloves of garlic, and half of a red bell pepper. Now dice your jalapeno pepper and your chipotle chili into a small separate dish. If you want a very spicy soup, be sure to keep all of the seeds of the jalapeno and the chipotle pepper. If you want a less spicy soup, discard of the jalapeno ribs and seeds and some of the seeds of the chipotle pepper. Finally, chop your dark chocolate. Add the olive oil to a pot on the stove over medium heat. Sauté your onions for about 5 minutes. Then add the garlic, chilies, spices, red pepper, and celery. Simmer for an additional 7 to 8 minutes until the vegetables become soft. Oops, we didn't start with a big enough pot, so we're transferring everything to a bigger pot so we can add more ingredients. Add the beans, tomato puree, and stock. Bring it to a boil and then cover and simmer for 40 minutes.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente con una pasión.
Once the soup has cooked for 40 minutes, take it off the stove. This next step is optional. We like to use an immersion blender to blend all of the vegetables together. It's up to you if you want to do that. Finally, stir in the chocolate until it completely melts. Then season the soup with salt and serve. We like to add toppings: cheese, cherry tomato, and avocado. Onions are a great addition too. Enjoy this wonderful tasting Mexican black bean soup.